Quick question. How many times did you unlock your phone today?
Now imagine a future where you don't need to.
Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the shifts shaping how humans and technology actually interact. I'm Grace.
And I'm Joshua. Today we're asking a simple question with a not-so-simple answer. Is the smartphone era ending?
A well-known venture capitalist recently said something that made the tech world pause. He doesn't think we'll be using phones the way we do now in 5 years, and maybe not at all in 10.
Which sounds wild until you think about it. Phones were designed for thumbs, taps, and tiny screens, not for an always-on AI world.
The argument is that phones are actually a pretty clumsy interface. We constantly pull them out, break focus, scroll endlessly, and interrupt real life just to communicate with intelligence.
Meanwhile, AI is getting faster, more conversational, and more context-aware. So the big question becomes, why are we still poking glass?
That's why some investors are betting on new interfaces, not new apps, things that feel more natural, less screen, less friction.
Think wearables, voice-first tools, devices that don't demand attention. They wait quietly until you need them.
One example getting attention is a simple voice-activated ring designed to capture thoughts the moment they happen. Not a phone replacement, but a glimpse of a future where technology adapts to human behavior, not the other way around.
It's not about flashy hardware, it's about behavior change. Just like fitness trackers weren't really about the wristband, they were about building habits.
This matters because smartphone growth has basically plateaued. Meanwhile, wearables and ambient devices are growing fast. People want tech that helps without hijacking attention.
And investors are noticing. The biggest opportunities may no longer be in infrastructure or bigger models, but in how humans actually experience intelligence.
Of course, this doesn't mean phones disappear overnight. They'll likely evolve, fade into the background, and eventually stop being the center of our digital lives.
The phone might not die, it just might stop being the star of the show.
If 2025 was the year AI grew up, 2026 is when it has to prove itself, with real value, not just hype. The vibe has officially changed. Stay curious, stay critical, and stay safe.
Like, share, and subscribe for more conversations that cut through the noise.